All right, welcome back. In this video, we're going to discuss integrating your ELD into URoute, which will allow you to track your drivers via their ELD. And it's also going to allow you to, when connected with shippers, to transmit that ELD data back to them for their visibility, which is very nice because it's done in a protected environment. You've understood and read our privacy agreement when signing up. We do not share data. So when a URoute shipper tenders you a load and they receive ELD information, it is only for that load, and they do not have access to your ELD at other times. You can also allow outside brokers or shippers that work with you to tender you your load through URoute via our API, which is free to you. And when you get that load through URoute, again, you will be able to transmit ELD tracking information to that broker or shipper on a one-time load basis, and they will not have access to your ELD. Much different than signing up for a third-party visibility tool or downloading a different app where tracking is their core purpose. Our core purpose is to protect your data and make sure that you're giving your customers as much visibility as necessary on a single load while protecting your privacy. So very easy to do. Go to Account, go to Settings, and ELD configurations are stored under Preferences. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of Preferences, and you will see ELD provider. Now, you do need to have an established connection with a URoute ELD provider that we have API connectivity with. However, if your ELD provider is not currently on our list, send an email to customerservice@uroute.net with your ELD provider's name, and we will work on getting that connectivity for you. So right here, we chose JJ Keller. You need a username, which is provided by JJ Keller. You will also need a password or an ELD PIN, and then that link creates. So what you'll do is then import tractors and trailers that are associated with JJ Keller, and those will be added to your list of tractors. There's no need to add tractors if you're doing this, because it'll automatically bring them into the system. And then when you assign a load, you're really tracking the ELD of that tractor, right? So, in that case, you're tracking the truck and the driver that's assigned to that truck, and then the load. So, for instance, in our world, if I just ran let's show you the landing page first here. So when you assign a driver, tractor, trailer to a load, in essence, you're really tracking this tractor, right? I mean, that's where the ELD is plugged into, and then your trailer assignment. And that's when you are going to track that driver and truck via ELD. And then in the history, I can show you what that looks like. Let me just run an older date here so I know we have some data. So if I do that and I find a load, let's see, this one might have it. Yeah, so you'll see here, you're getting those feeds, which looks to be every 5 minutes via your ELD, and it's adding breadcrumbs, and it'll show, where your truck is on that map at any given time and which way it's going. So integrating your ELD, again, it's in our preferences. If your ELD is not there, then let us know and we'll add it. If it is there, you'll just need to get an API key from your ELD provider, plug it in, and we're going to protect your privacy, right? We're not going to be tracking your trucks all over the place or trying to quote unquote optimize your trucks. It's simply used as a mechanism for you to provide visibility to yourself and visibility to your shipper or your broker on a one-time load basis. Thanks, and if you have questions on this, feel free to reach out. Thank you.